Yeah, candy cane. What else is in there?
Look! Colgate.
Crayons. What else is in there?
Ooh. Ooh, Mama.
M&M's.
No, easy, Mama.
Oh, you want to eat them now?
Okay.
We'll see what else is in your stocking first. Why don't you dump it out?
Okay.
Dump the whole thing out. There you go. Keep going. Help him, Chris.